Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 14th chapter, that is light. In previous video already you have discussed about that lens. There are different types of lens and they are especially convex lens and concave lens. But students, today we are going to discuss new things, new important terms. Do you have seen that students rainbow? Yes. Rainbow contains the 7 colors, that is the violet, indigo, blue, green, yes, orange, red. So these are the 7 colors where it is appearing in the time of that rainbow, whenever we will see that time. So did you see when the rainbow will come? Yes, after the rainy season. That means rainy seasons just we can see. Okay, in the summer seasons, that like in the sunny, that means when the day that sunny there, that means without rain, that means if the rainy season is not there at that time, we cannot see. Why it is there is one behind it, reasons are there, friends. Your higher class will be study that. So this is due to that reflection of light, it is happening, and you will study in the 10th classes. So when the sunlight is falling on that water bubbles, that means those who are present in the atmosphere, actually it is appearing, this rainbow will appear. You should observe that when that rain will stop, when the rain stop, then after it will rainbow will come. During that raining time, that it raining time it won't be appear. After that complete the rain stopped, at that time it will be appear rainbow. Why? Because when that in the atmosphere water bubbles are there, in that water bubbles are reflect like a lens like that, it is appearing. So what happening when the sun rays will fall on that, it will pass one medium to another two parents like that. So you will observe that 7 colors are dispersing, that means splitting into the 7 colors. Okay, you will find out. So you should remember that means rainbow will appear in the opposite direction of the sun. So suppose now sun is now some morning, then that rainbow will appear on the west. And if suppose sunset time, suppose in the sun is in the west side, at that time the rainbow will appear on the east side. It won't be appear in the north, or it won't appear in the south. So in these two directions that a rainbow will appear, because of the sun opposite side rainbow will form. You should remember that. But that rainbow contains that 7 colors. How will find out? Detect that. And the different way also students you can find out. If actually where the sunlight, that means that white lights are the color of that it is splitted, that white lights are splitted into the 7 colors. Okay. If you will see that this is one of the phenomena, friends. If you take that on your scale and you will go to sunlight or prism, you will see that in sunlight if you keep that, you can find out that 7 colors also you can find out. Okay. So what is that? This how we are? What is that thing? This is. Now this is one of the phenomenon. Okay, that means the white light are splitted into the different colors. Okay, means it is one of the phenomenon of the lighting. And which one? That white light are splitted. It's see different spectrum. That means different colors. Okay, splitted into the different colors. Okay, that is called as a dispersion. Dispersion is nothing but it is one of the phenomenon of the light, which can help that to split into the white light into the different colors. So how is it possible? If suppose one practical science that lab activity you can do also, friends. If one prism if you take and you will keep in the sunlight, and where light will pass, that sunlight white light will pass through that prism, then that 7 colors will split and you will find out that other screen. Okay, so this is called as a dispersion. Okay, let us see what is that dispersion and how that 7 colors are splitting and what are the colors. And today specially we will discuss about that Newton disk. Newton disk क्या होता है? You have it is a very popular thing. Newton's, which is Sir Isaac Newton English, that physics, he was discovered first that about that mixing the colors and the rainbow colors are mixed and made to white colors. That means see, dispersion, what is that? Now white colors are splitted into the different colors. But Newton's opposite is shown that 7 colors it will mix, then it will appear as a white. By that, how? Now on a disc, like on a CD cassette, like you can color painting that 7 colors. and if you spin means rotating, then that it will be appears as a, after rotating time it will appear as that what all colors are combining and mixing and as a appear as a white color. Okay, so that is called as a Newton disk. So let us see what is that Newton disk and what is that 7 colors, how is the splitting by that region we have to see. Now look at students here, what is that dispersion? The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its component colors, this is called as the dispersion of light. That means the phenomenon is splitting of light. That means it will be spread. That means it will break and according to that wavelength also it will be spread. So how that refractive index, what is that the difference properties are there? You have to study also in a higher class. So look at here. This is the main things. The only one thing you have to remember, when that light will pass through a prism or any refractive like that one things that then it will be spread, it will be split in the different color. That means this white light, this is white light. Okay, this white light contains, that means generally what did you understand friends? Now the white light consists of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the 7 colors are there. Okay, so thus what is the next spectrum क्या होता? Now the spectrum of the colors formed on the splitting of the white lights is called the spectrum of a white light. That means when that this white light, this is called as spectrum. So that means different colors are forming. Okay, so this is all about that dispersion friends. Next we are going to discuss about that what is that Newton disk. You have seen that pictures. Suppose I have written that with it because of that colors not there. So we have understand this is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors you have to paint it. Okay, if you painted this like this different colors, 7 colors, then what will happen? If you spin it, if you spin like this, then it will appear as a white color. So this is called as a Newton disk. It is popular that Sir Isaac Newton, okay, was discovered, and that's why it is popular. It is called as a Newton's disk. Okay students, this is, that means the combining of the combination of the 7 colors. Whenever that they will spin, that means all that colors of the rays that light that it will be passed to that point, that it will mix like and it will be, they will follow to one by two other, then after it will appear as a white color. Okay, so this whole about that students Newton disk and about the dispersion. So it is fine for your homework students. You have to remember that friends, all that objective questions exercise for your homework, but before that I will give you also, and you have to prepare that what that in classwork also you should write down also. Before this you should write down that also what is the difference between concave mirror and concave lens, concave mirror and convex mirror, and concave lens and a convex lens. Both the difference between that you have must have to write it. You can follow that textbook also there. That's why I did not inform that. Just I am reminding what is that concave lens and what is that convex lens. How the image is forming, what is that in nature, what the size of that, you have to write like that in your own. Okay, thank you all students. It has completed your 14th chapter. Next we will start that new chapter. Till that, wait. Bye bye.